Hey guys, welcome back. Here, gonna show you this Stratasys f370. This machine was about $100,000, so they got it at this place that I work. We pretty much use it for ABS, and so $100,000 comes with the water chiller. You can see it's like an oven in here. But look at the tool hit the extruder. That's it. There's no fans. Totally different concept than the bamboos and reality. So $100,000 for this. It's not the greatest quality, but it just works. You never have to worry about coming in and having a misprint or layer shift. I have never seen it happen with this machine. Or we had an older version and it was the same thing. It was like, I've never seen a misprint on it. So pretty much, and like the build plate is not magnetic. It's just plastic and it locks into place. But there's no metal, there's nothing keeping it flat other than the hooks pull it and it gets it flat. It feels like ABS. I don't know what kind of plastic it is. But pretty much this is what 100,000 machine looks like. I pretty could have got probably 20 bamboos more. 100 bamboos probably with the price of this one. And I mean, to just run IBS, I think it's overkill, but it is what it is. So